decor items are made entirely out of trash. This one is from newspaper and this one is from cardboard box. If you have any doubts about the tutorial, you can let me know in comments. You can follow me on Instagram. You can like my FB page with the same name, Creative Cat, and personally message me there. Stay connected. I have this balloon. I'll make a round shape on it with the help of this bowl. I made another parallel line here. These are some newspaper pieces. Now I'll cover the balloon with glue mixed with water and newspaper pieces. I'll give at least 3 to 4 layers. The strongness of final product depends on these layers. The more layers you add, the more strong it will become. Now it's been dried. I will mark and leave this space for the base. Cut the twine or jute rope in tiny non-uniform pieces. I'll dip each piece of twine in glue and make an abstract geometric pattern on the balloon. You can also use hot glue gun to make this instead of twine, but you won't get that finesse with hot glue. You can make any pattern like straight lines, waves, zigzag. Now I'll cover this all structure with glue mixed with water and tissue paper. Everything is dried now. Let's pop the balloon. I'll cut this portion to make that net-like structure. Now let's make the base. Let's cut this portion. Trust me, it's really strong. Take the cardboard piece and stick it from inside. Now let's color it. This is white acrylic. and here I am using metallic golden. Final coat of pearl white. Seal it with color sealant or varnish. To make the other one, I am going to cut cardboard in this shape. These are the dimensions. Four pieces of cardboard and one 10 into 10 square for base. Let's stick them together. Make the same structure of twine and follow the same procedure as earlier. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Happy crafting!